Get in, loser, we're going shopping.
Hey girl, hey, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome to my channel. It's Dan back again with another video for y'all. So if you haven't read that title already, then we're gonna be doing my hair. I am so sick of wearing this headband wig, y'all. Like, I have been sporting this headband wig all week and I'm sick and I'm tired of it. So we're about to do a quick weave. So we're about to do a quick weave because I want to save some money and some coins. I don't have it for the hairstylist. I don't have it for you, boo. So I'm just going to stay home and do it myself. So I went to my local beauty supply store in hopes of finding some really cute, like, kinky bundles that kind of like match my hair texture. I didn't really find any that was too curly, so this is what I found. So I found this hair right here by Organique, and this is the curliest hair I could find. So I got this in a 3 bundle, and we can take it out. And when you take it out, it looks like this. This is like the texture. But yeah, this is 3 bundles, and then I also got this Organique bundle of brown because I want to add like some highlights. So yeah, I don't have a lot of time. I have somewhere to go, hence the makeup. But let's go ahead and do this hair because I cannot go outside with this headband wig on. Not another day, okay? Not another day. To it, my hair is already like mapped out under this. All right, so this is what the hair looks like under. I know y'all don't really understand what's going on. I barely understand what's going on. So in my head, I really want to do a flip over. But y'all know I got insecurities with my forehead. I got a really big forehead, really big head. So I left this piece out in the middle in case I wanted to do like a middle part. So it's kind of really just the perimeter of my hair out. But I just did a middle part. Just in case I wasn't feeling like the flip over, the regular flip over where it's just like kind of back. So yeah, I have options. So yeah, everything else is braided down or twisted down in this black cap, as you guys can see. First things first is we're gonna put the protective shield on the back part. All right, so this is that protective shield I was talking about. Just gonna apply that to the cap, directly on the cap. All right, so now we're gonna blow dry. I spray a little bit of like hairspray or like holding spray on there too. To make it like super hard and super tacky. So let's go ahead and start putting in the tracks. I'm really pressed for time, so I'm gonna go really fast. Went to 18, 20, and 22. So I'm gonna start with the 22, this one right here. All right, so we got the track. I'm just gonna go ahead and measure it to my head. All right, so this is the track, and I'm just gonna start measuring it along that cap, going from like the bottom up. This is the glue that we're using. And don't mind my fingers, I have freaking tacky stuff all over. Now that I think about it, I actually want to tend to my leave out real quick. I got these and I kind of want to put them in the fronts already, being that I'm working on the hair. So let me do that. So we're about to use this and this. Okay, so this is what we're working with so far. So this is the leave out. I have it all up in the pins, and then this is the tracks. I'm about to go ahead and just finish filling out this back cap. Okay, so update. Remember that I told you guys that I had somewhere to go. So I had somewhere to go, and I put the rollers in, or the perm rods in, and they didn't work. So this is the very next day. I slept on my hair, but now we're gonna try to wand curl the front pieces to make it blend with the back part. So that's pretty much all I'm doing right now. It's just getting this front together, because if the front don't blend in, then the whole point of this is, you know. Yeah, so let's go ahead and do that. I did a middle part because the flip over thing, my head just too big for that. So we just gonna do a cute little middle part, and I'm about to get ready to wand curl all these little pieces right here and get my edges together. Oh yeah, you guys can just watch me, and I'm about to put on some music, so yeah. So I'm gonna do my baby hairs. I'm using this new edge control. It's called Gummy. I've never used it before, but one of my coworkers recommended it to me. It's like none of the edge controls hold my edges for real, like. Okay, so a couple of things happened. My camera just keep dying on me. So what happened was I went ahead and finished wand curling, and this is the finished product. And as you can see, the hair is a little bit shorter because I did get my scissors and I cut a lot of the hair off. So yeah, I wanted more of like a natural look, so I did a little bit shorter. I really wanted to go like even a little bit more shorter, but I'm gonna leave it like this because I feel like if I keep on cutting, it's gonna look bad. So we're gonna leave it like this. I'm trying to get the hair to blend in as much as possible. But yeah, it turned out like this. I like it. It's super cute. I'm probably only gonna keep this in for like a week because the leave out, I gotta keep on wand curling. I'm honestly gonna try the perm rods again tonight when I go to sleep and just do like a couple of them to keep the curls. But essentially I'm gonna have to keep wand curling because my hair is 4C. I just know when I step outside today, it's gonna poof up. It's not gonna stay like this. So I'm gonna have to keep on wand curling it. That's why I don't want it to be in that long. But yeah, this is a cute little, you feel me, cute little quick weave. Save myself a good little, you know, $150 to $200 because the girlies are charging for the quick weaves. So yeah, I just did it myself and this is the outcome. Okay, so I guess when I edit this is when I'll see the bag. But yeah, this is the vibes. I like it. I think it's kind of cute. It's different than what I normally do to my hair. So I like the fact that I tried something new, something different. And yeah, I'm just playing with it. The curls are gonna kind of like drop. But I think it's cute. Like, I think it turned out cute. It kind of looked like it could be my hair. Like, so that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And girly, go to your local beauty supply store and just do the quick weave yourself. Save you some money and do the quick weave yourself. It's not that serious to always get your hair done, get your hair done, get your hair done. If it's not an event or a birthday or, you know, traveling and you're not doing nothing major, practice on doing your hair. I just feel like it's important for us as women to know how to do a little little 1 2 1 2. And so I'm always gonna try to like learn how to do little different styles to my hair, so that when I'm in these phases of not really doing anything in particular, I'm not wasting money by getting my hair done, because it ain't nothing going on right now. So I'm just gonna save my money and do a little 1 2 myself. So this is the finished outcome, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe to my channel, and make sure you turn that post notification bell on so that next time I drop a video, babe, you'll be notified. Also, make sure you follow me on Instagram for daily content, and I will see you guys in my next video. I love you.